Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials. Confirm your GPU driver, Windows build, and DirectX version so you know what to fix. Open DXDiag and save the report. This shows the error code and missing components. Next, update Windows and install the DirectX end-user runtimes. These replace missing DLLs the app needs. Run the game or app as administrator and test. If the same error appears, move on because now you have diagnostics and the core runtime in place to act on. Once done with basics, perform a clean GPU driver reinstall. Use display driver uninstaller, in safe mode if needed to remove remnants. Then run system file checker, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair Windows files that DirectX depends on. Install the Visual C++ redistributables the game requires and the DirectX redistributable package from the installer provided by the game or developer. Also verify game files through the launcher. Corrupt game files can trigger initialization failures. Finish by ensuring the app uses your discrete GPU and system settings and try compatibility mode for older titles. That often resolves API negotiation issues. If the error began after a driver update, roll back the driver or use system restore. As a last resort, reinstall the game or Windows to eliminate deep corruption. If it still fails, gather DXDiag logs, driver versions, and error text, then contact support. Key troubleshooting tip. Use to fully remove drivers before a clean reinstall. This fixes most stubborn DirectX initialization errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.